Hello guys, this is the coldest that it could get. I'm gonna do a cold start right now. It's my second cold start. It's cold actually. Horn doesn't work, so remember I told you my update I needed to take the car, so can somebody see it to see what's the problem with the horn. It's working pretty decent, pretty good. Really rich. You can see it's cold outside. Now, I don't have I didn't brought my light, my flashlight, but it is cold. It smells really bad. That carbon dioxide. Let me see if I can turn the lights over here so you can see better the car, the engine. Pretty much you cannot see anything. It's like dark in here. Pretty much see it's cold out here. It's like that lighting, man. It's like cold in here. So yeah guys, thank you for supporting. Please support this video, support this channel. I have a lot of projects for this car. I'm gonna put an LS1. I'm gonna take down that engine in there. I'm gonna swap it for an LS1. It's a 305, but supposedly it's a 325 because they put a stroker kit in and they use it for racing, obviously. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna swap that engine for an LS1 and put a supercharger in the future. You see that transmission is automatic. It's automatic transmission. I hate it. I don't like automatic. So in future reference, that will be a T56, 6-speed manual, hopefully. So yeah. So yeah guys, you're gonna see this car a lot now. It costs a lot of money actually to do the what is it called? I can't remember right now. Bondage title. It costs like 500 and something, but the only last step we need to do is do the inspection. By first, here on the state of Texas, it's required for us to have a horn. So I will fix the horn first, take it to the shop, they could fix it, and after fixing the horn, then I'm gonna take it to the inspection so we could get the title, the license plates, and the sticker with it, hopefully. So yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for all your support and see you next time. Bye.